Hello friends, let us study one of the topics in mathematics, that is linear equations in one variable. By giving few examples, I would like to bring into your notice the very basic steps which you need to understand before learning this topic. Very basic steps. Those steps you might have done in your early standards, standard 5th, 6th, 7th. But if you are clear with those topics, definitely it would be a great help to solve multiple problems in linear equations in one variable. Let us take few examples, and every example has multiple ways of solving it, but we'll just try to cover the maximum. First example, see here. You have this kind of linear equation in one variable. You can see only one variable is there, few constant numbers are there. X plus 4 is equal to 9. Now, here you have two sides, left hand side and the right hand side on that equality symbol. You have an x and plus 4 on one side of equality symbol. You have 9 on the other side. I don't want this plus 4 here. In that case, what is the option that you have? You can subtract 4 from that side. But only subtracting on one side will not solve your purpose. So what is to be done? Same operation is to be done. Because equality symbol, you have to perform the same operations on both sides of the equality symbol. So what you can do is x plus 4. You don't want that 4, so remove that 4 by minus 4 is equal to 9 minus 4. Now here, normally plus 4 minus 4 cancels, you get x, and you get here 9 minus 4, that is equal to 5. This same technique, after the student repeatedly uses this technique, it is not at all necessary to add and subtract or subtract and add on both sides. He or she can directly use a simple step. See here, the equation is x plus 4 is equal to 9. And now you are used to this kind of problems, so you can say that x is equal to 9 minus 4. You can build up a simple technique in your minds that plus 4 goes on other side of the equality symbol, becomes minus 4. So it is x is equal to 5. In case of addition, we have seen this. Now second example is that of subtraction. You don't want this minus 2 here. If I want to eliminate minus 2, I need to add 2. That's it. X minus 2 plus 2 is equal to 7 plus 2. As I told you, the operation that you're going to do it on the left hand side has to be done by default on the right hand side also. So here again, minus 2 plus 2 cancels. X is equal to 7 plus 2, that is equal to 9. I told you, once you are doing this multiple times, it becomes a habit, and you can just say x minus 2 is equal to 7, minus 2 goes on that side, becomes plus 2, x is equal to 7 plus 2, x is equal to 9. Next example, here we have seen addition, next subtraction, now we have division and multiplication with us. Normally every number has 1 at the denominator if not shown. Like 4 is a number given to you, that means 4 has a denominator 1. Now here, the technique is very simple. Normally it is explained in this way, that multiply both sides of the equation, both sides by 3. And what happens is 3 into x upon 3 is equal to 4 into 3. Here you say 3 cancels, x is equal to 3 4s are 12. This can be made easy by a simple step. X upon 3 is equal to 4 upon 1. Just cross multiply it. What do you get? C. by cross multiplication, x into 1 is x and 3 4s are 12. I told you that when you go on solving this kind of questions again and again, it becomes a habit and you start jumping few steps. Next example. Here it was division. Division gets converted into multiplication. I said cross multiplication, right? Now here you have 4x is equal to 24. Always multiplication gets converted into division. But now, prior to that, how people explain it? Divide both sides by 4. It becomes 4x upon 4 is equal to 24 upon 4. 4 cancels. X is equal to 4 1s are, 4 6s are, x is equal to 6. This is a normal technique, but let me tell you again, when you repeatedly do this, it becomes a habit and you can easily say 4x is equal to 24, x is equal to 24 upon 4. You can just say that multiplication gets converted into division on the other hand side of the equality symbol. 4 1s are, 4 6s are, x is equal to 6. Is this clear? I hope it has made you clear with the concepts. Those are needed to understand linear equations in one variable. Thank you very much for time being. I'll be giving few more videos in coming couple of days. Just wait and watch them. If you feel it useful, please share, subscribe and like those videos. Thank you very much.